A Disney security guard asks kids in costume for autographs. A husband teaching his wife the alphabet after she suffered memory loss. A dry cleaner offers a thoughtful service. A tourist gives his shoes to a young girl. A woman buys an extra meal for a homeless man to eat lunch together. Two people share a birthday moment. Two men rescue a struggling sheep. A man misses his train to help a woman with her bags. Wendy's employee helps a passerby. Bagel Jesus helps feed people.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.